So today's video, we're just going to do some chicken wings in the backyard, just on charcoal barbecue, the Weber Go Anywhere. So I'll show you how we do it. So first thing's just get some charcoal beads. So I've just put a fire lighter in there. We'll just wait until that gets going and it'll ash over on that charcoal, and then we'll tip her into the cooker. Alright, now while we're waiting for the charcoal to ash over and get ready, I'll just get some of these chicken wings out. No. And then I've just got some of this. It's just a rub, just a store-bought rub. Buy it down at Woolies or Coles, your local supermarket. So it's pretty handy. And then I'm just gonna give them a coating. So just liberal, just really get some on there, rub them around both sides, and then when this is cooked with the charcoal and the smoke and the heat, it'll create like a nice little crust on it, a bit of a bark, and it's just, oh, it's fantastic. It tastes delicious. And because it's Saturday arvo, gotta have a can. So, absolutely beautiful. Alright, I'll just push these to the side. So this is it's called a Weber Go Anywhere. It's just a little charcoal barbecue. So you put your charcoal in that little bit there, put the grill on, I'll put the chicken wings up this end, and then might put a bit of smoking wood on there. Okay, so the charcoal's ready to go, it's all ashed over. So I'll tip the charcoal into the barbecue. A bit of a hot bit on my foot. Probably got too much there. And then I'll just put the lid on and just let that heat up. Okay, so we'll put the grate on. And we'll just put some of these delicious little chicken wings on. Bit more rub. just creates that delicious bark, and it's just absolutely to die for. And I've got a bit of cherry wood from my backyard, so I'll just put that on top of the charcoal, put the lid on, and just let it cook, let it smoke. It's going to be fantastic. I'll check back in with you in a little while. This is just looking fantastic. Look at it. Oh, beautiful bit of smoke. Lovely. Now, I'm not affiliated with Yeti at all, but it's just a fantastic product. Where I live in Australia, in summer we get sort of 50 days in a row over 35 degrees Celsius, and probably 20 of those days are over 40, a lot of them over 45. So Yeti can cooler or Colster, whatever you call it, just the best thing you can have when it's hot. So a few cans of beer straight in, lock that on, and your last sip of beer is as cold as your first. It's just, I don't know what we did before we had these things, man. Just drink hot beer, I guess. Smells good, fruit. Smells good. Yeah, can't wait for some chicken wings. Quick update, see how these wings are going. Delicious. Oh, would you look at them? Look fantastic. Oh, yummo. Okay, so these wings have been on for about, this is my 4th beer, so 3 beers. Let's see how they're looking. Absolutely fantastic. Delicious. Okay, so let's plate them up. Now, it doesn't get much better than that. A couple of chicken wings, charcoal, bit of smoke, bit of hot sauce, a couple of cans of goat. It's just fantastic. Thanks, guys. We'll see you on the next one.